Alright, so Dodge Ram 2003 2500 with the 5.9 valve NV5600, having a long start problem. I think it could be injectors. So to begin with, it's 65 degrees out here, so see how long that coil's taking right there? And then there's also ticking. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I think it's coming right around where that grid heater is. Battery terminals, besides looking kind of chewed up, they're pretty clean. The other side looks just about the same. So I'll go ahead and show you trying to start it up here. That's probably all I want to do on that. Getting low on batteries trying to start it. Don't want to ruin that starter either. You can still hear that tick in there. I'm not sure if that's the grid heater or what's going on. Right now I got my block heater plugged in. In about an hour this thing's going to start up. It'll probably still long start, but it'll start up after I heat that grid up. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think here.